Now another result which again will be very important while solving ellipse and hyperbola is, if by any change of x's without changing of origin, the quantity ax square plus 2hxy plus by square become a dash x dash square plus 2h dash x dash y dash plus b dash y dash square, the x's in each case being rectangular, we need to prove that a plus b is equal to a dash plus b dash and ab minus h square is equal to a dash b dash minus h dash square. So suppose we are given some equation which is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Now we know that by rotation we can write x as x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and we can write y as x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So now this equation will become a and will be x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square plus 2h, and then we can write x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta, and plus b will be x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta whole square. Now we will write terms of x dash square, then we'll have a cos square theta, we'll also have 2h cos theta sin theta and plus b sin square theta. Now terms containing x dash y dash will have minus a sin theta cos theta. Here it will be plus h cos square theta minus sin square theta and plus b sin theta cos theta. And finally we have y dash square, which will be a sin square theta minus 2h cos theta sin theta plus b cos square theta. Now this is a dash, this is h dash, and that's your b dash. Now first we'll find a dash plus b dash. Now we'll add them. This 2h cos theta sin theta and minus 2h sin theta cos theta will cancel. Now a cos square theta plus sin square theta will be simply a, and b sin square theta plus b cos square theta will be simply b. So we have our first result, which is a dash plus b dash will be same as a plus b. Now for the second result we'll write a dash as a cos square theta plus 2h cos theta sin theta plus b sin square theta. Now what we'll do is we'll write cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. We'll write this as h into sin 2 theta, and here we'll write it as 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So we'll take 1 by 2 common, then we can simply write this as a plus b plus 2h sin 2 theta and plus a minus b cos 2 theta. In the same way we can write b dash as 1 by 2 a plus b minus 2h sin 2 theta and then minus a minus b cos 2 theta. Now what we'll do is we'll multiply these two expressions. So we'll multiply them. We can write a dash b dash, so it will be 1 by 4, and here it will be a plus b and a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square, so it will be a plus b square minus 2h sin 2 theta plus a minus b cos 2 theta whole square. Now we'll also simplify h dash, so h dash will be 1 by 2 2h cos 2 theta minus a minus b sin 2 theta. So h dash square will be 1 by 4 and L be 2h cos 2 theta minus a minus b sin 2 theta whole square. Now we'll find a dash b dash minus h square. So a dash b dash minus h dash square will be 1 by 4 and here it will be a plus b square minus 2h sin 2 theta plus a minus b cos 2 theta whole square minus 2h cos 2 theta minus a minus b sin 2 theta whole square. So we'll simplify it, we'll get a dash b dash minus h dash square and this is 1 by 4 and here it will be a plus b square. Now here it will be 4h square sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So it will be minus 4h square and then it will be minus a minus b square cos square theta plus sin square theta. So again it will be minus a minus b square and then plus 2ab and minus 2ab will cancel. So we'll get a dash b dash minus h dash square. So it will be equal to 1 by 4 and here we'll get 4ab minus 4h square. So from here we can write a dash b dash minus h dash square is equal to ab minus h square. Basically this result is called as result of invariant. So if we rotate the axis without changing the origin, then the quantity ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, if it becomes a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus b dash y square, then a plus b will be equal to a dash plus b dash, ab minus h square will be equal to a dash b dash minus h square. We'll be using this condition when we'll be solving questions on central conic. Suppose we have a central conic whose equation is given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 1. Now, if this equation represents an ellipse, then we can say we'll rotate the axis so that its equation will now become x square upon say capital A square plus y square upon capital B square equals to 1. Now from law of invariance we know that a plus b is equal to a dash plus b dash. So a plus b is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. So from here we can write a plus b, it is equal to coefficient of x square in this, which is 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square, and then second result is ab minus h square will be equal to ab, which is 1 upon a square b square minus h square, which in this case is 0. We'll be using these two conditions to simplify problems in central conic.